At CPS Europe, we like what we do, and we're good at it. Our skilled technicians excel at repairing and calibrating your CPS product. So if you're a wholesaler or distributor, know that our repair service is always there for you and your customers. Anytime, anywhere. It's easy. Simply send us by email a completed RMA form per product with the requested details, and we'll send you an RMA number. After approval, attach that number to the package of your product and keep it ready for shipment. Within the next few days, we'll pick it up free of charge. When the product is still under warranty, the repair as well as the cost to ship it back to you will also be free of charge. As simple as that. CPS Europe is there for you. What you need next? CPS, nothing less.